Do you live in a small town and want to start a business but don't know what kind of business you want to start? Are you somebody living in a small town who's short of funding and really doesn't have that much money to invest in a business but want to do it anyway? Kevin Weir, your action business coach, helping you achieve your business dreams. Now, in my last video, we had thousands of views of people who are looking for a business in a small town, and that really told me something. It told me there is a lot of interest in people in small towns starting a viable business. And so I came up with 7 more ideas that I see have been successful in small towns, and maybe it's something that you might want to start. Now, here's a couple things that we looked at in starting a business in a small town. All of them are going to be under $5,000 to start this business. Some of them are going to start off with zero money. So it really depends upon who you are. Tested and proven businesses that work in small towns, and they're perfect for people who want a good, solid jump in income, but don't want to take massive investment risks. And so these 7 businesses might be perfect for you. So number 1 is residential cleaning services. Now, typically you could start this business up between $300 and $1,000 to start up, okay? Why it works. Reputation. If you develop an excellent reputation as a great house cleaner, you're going to have a good steady flow of business going through. What is the marketing that you can do for this? Before and after photos are great examples. And what's nice about this business is flexible. If you need to do it on evenings and weekends, you can do it. The number 2 idea is yard and property cleanup. Investment startup is anywhere from $500 to $2,500 depending on what you need. Now, note, this is not landscaping. This is simply that yard and property cleanup, okay? So why would it work in a small town? An older population are not people who really like to go out and do their own heavy lifting and doing their own cleanup. What's a great way to market a business like this? Offer flat fees, having a spring cleaning or some sort of summer prep cleanup or something of that nature that can help people take advantage of an offer. Okay. Number 3 idea is errand running for senior citizens. This is, if you've got a car, you can start off with absolutely no investment necessary. So it's light household help for senior citizens. Now, why does this work in small towns? Well, an aging population has limited transportation, so they probably need somebody with a vehicle to run and get things for them. What's a way to market this? Take a look at senior centers in your small town to post up notices, or even go to a senior living center and maybe they need some help there. So great ideas. Now, number 4 is mobile car detailing. That startup costs us anywhere from $500 to $3,000. Why does this work? A lot of people don't want to drive an hour to go get their car detailed, okay? And the nice thing also about that, therefore, is you go to them since you're a mobile car dealing service, okay? What's the good marketing? Before and after photos are always great for something like this. Now, number 5 is home-based bakery or treats. Now, the cost to start this up is anywhere from $300 to $3,000 depending on what your needs. Cookies, cupcakes, cinnamon rolls, bread, whatever, all of that good stuff. Why does it work? Local farmers markets, and your products equals instant branding. People will want to come out and they will want to try your samples. What's a great marketing technique? Sell out the first time. Once people go, get this sell out and I want more, they're going to want more. It's the FOMO, fear of missing out. So they're going to want to come back for more and more of that. Okay, that's number 5. Number 6 is power washing. Okay, that's going to cost you anywhere from $1,500 to $4,500 to start up. Why does it work? It's for older homes, power driveways, power washing, cement, siding, whatever. It's one of those things where in older homes, it's a lot cheaper to wash something rather than maybe repaint it. And you live with older people, some of them live on fixed income, that's a better result. Now, what's a good way to market that? Free test patch. You go out, you clean a small patch on a siding or a driveway or whatever, and they'll probably want the rest of it clean. And finally, number 7. And this one, you're going to chuckle and you're going to laugh, but it's real. Pet waste removal. Yeah, shoveling up dog poop. Okay, now why does this work so well? Again, there's hardly any competition in any town for pest waste removal, and it's basically a lot of loyal customers there. And again, once again, in a town with a lot of older people, they have their pets and they just don't want to clean up after them. Okay, what's a good way to market this business? First, cleanup is free for new clients. That's a great way to start. So these are 7 ideas that you may want to test out to start a business in your small town. If you need some help or you want somebody to brainstorm things with you, go ahead and schedule a free complimentary call with me. I would love to help you out with your entrepreneurial ideas in your small town. Look forward to seeing you again, and go out there, start your business, become the entrepreneur of your dreams.